Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the Galaxy S25 Ultra in titanium white silver. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So on the front, you can see we have a nice silhouette of our phone, S25 Ultra, S Pen. We have the branding down there, Samsung on the side, Galaxy S25 Ultra on this side. On the back, it's going to tell you what it includes. Of course, we have the phone itself, our S Pen, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. And right up front, we have our Galaxy S25 Ultra. That beautiful white. It's got kind of an iridescent look to it. Looks really nice. Our accessories and everything are on the top. And we get a SIM eject tool because we do have a physical SIM still, which is nice. Quick start guide, terms and conditions, and of course our USB-C to USB-C cable. All right, and here we are. So let's go ahead and start our setup process here. I'm just gonna set it up without anything in mind, just so we can get to the home screen. So we have to agree to our Samsung terms and conditions and then their privacy policy. You don't have to send any diagnostic data, so we'll go ahead and take it through here. Easy setup with another device, so you can choose Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad, or you can set it manually. And then we have to choose our Wi-Fi network. All right, we then get to our cellular setup. So of course you can put a physical SIM in here if you like, or you can use eSIM. So transfer SIM for another phone, scan QR code, or search for mobile plans, or we can set up later. We get another prompt here to copy apps and data, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit don't copy here. All right, then prompted to sign into our Google account. So let's get this here. And here we are at the home screen. So for software, we have Android 15 with One UI 7.0. And if you get the 512 gig model like I have, you'll have 479 gigs available out of the box. Now, one thing I heard about the new S25 Ultra is that the speakers are better. Now, of course, we do have a slightly bigger display this time around also. So you can see we have very slim bezels all the way around. Everything's more rounded around the corners, and we're at 6.9 inches versus the 6.8 from last year. So in the way that they are shaped, and the Samsung has still got that kind of long, narrow look, but just newer rounded corners. And then this one does have the biggest display of all of them, and I believe the most cameras as well. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, just a quick unboxing and look at the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium white silver. So I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking this out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one.